What inspired you to become a data scientist? Hi everyone, welcome to episode 15th of Data Science and AI Weekly. My name is Manav, I'm the Chief Data Science Mentor, and in episode 15, which is the episode right now that we are doing, I'm going to share with you my inspiration for becoming a data scientist and getting into data science, right? So now I'll just start with my journey into data science. I'll keep it very short and brief. So I started in data science in the year 2014. That is the year when I was doing my MBA at ISB, Indian School of Business, which is one of the top ranked business schools in India and internationally as well. Now, I've been in this field for the last 5 decades, and honestly, when I was getting started in this field right now, when I look back in hindsight, I had never imagined that this is a field that I'll continue to love for such a long duration. Now, I'll tell you what inspired me to become a data scientist, and especially because my profile was a little different than most of the people getting into data science. So in 2014, when I was doing my MBA, there were a lot of career options that I had. A lot of MBAs from top schools get into strategy consulting, they get into investment banking, they get into product management, and they get into a lot of other kind of roles. So one of the things what I wanted to do is that I wanted to be a part of what we say is next generation technology wave. And why I wanted to be a part of this wave is because when technologies are changing, the opportunity for you to learn and B, grow are tremendous. And C, the competition is much lesser. Right. So what I realized is that this is a field which I would enjoy because it is not purely technical field. At the same time, it is a field which is at the intersection of many things, which is maths, domain expertise, and computer science. And I thought that this is something that I would love, and that's how I started my journey in 2014. So essentially, to be a part of this revolution called data science, data revolution, and to be at the forefront of this revolution, I thought that there are certain skill set that I would need to develop that I did not have at that time. And I was ready to put in the time and effort to do that, right? So essentially, once I was clear that this is what I wanted to do, and the inspiration behind that was this whole area of machine learning, data science, and how this has been impacting various companies. And especially when I started researching more and more on this in my early days, I discovered how companies like Facebook are using data science on a massive level. How companies like Amazon, Netflix are using data science in ways that a normal user of Netflix does not even know of. A normal user, buyer or shopper on Amazon does not even know that data science is being used in Amazon. So once I started digging into the use cases, I realized that this is something exciting. This is something what is futuristic, and this is a field which is going to explode. And I was thankfully not wrong. I started my journey after then in this field over the last couple of years. What I have loved about this field the most is that every year this field is changing. Every month I feel that there is something new that I can potentially learn in this space that I don't already know. And every day there is something new to think about, to talk about, to learn from. And that's what the best part or the most inspiring part about this field is. Now, for those of you who are getting started in this field in 2020, what I can tell you is this is just the beginning. Right now in 2020, data science is where the internet was in the early 2000s. In the early 2000s, internet was just getting started, and companies like Facebook had not even started that. A lot of top companies had not started. Similarly, data science is at an amazing stage right now, and I'm sure that you must be inspired right now to become a data scientist. Keep the work on, keep learning new things, keep pushing yourself, and just ensure that you're working on as many projects as possible and reading as much as possible. So that is my inspiration of getting started in data science and how I got inspired to become a data scientist. This was episode 15 of Data Science and AI Weekly. I hope you would have loved this episode. This episode was a little different because I shared a little bit of my journey in this episode. If you love this episode, just leave your comment in the comment section. And if you want me to cover a particular topic that you think that you would benefit from, just let me know that as well in the comment section. I would happily pick up that topic in another podcast soon. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you soon in another episode. Do check out the other previous episodes in the playlist in the description below. Thank you very much.